Ken and I went to Albany today. We went to Trader Joe's, and I have a little haul for you guys. Picked up some onions and shallots and cilantro, grape tomatoes, snow peas, bell peppers, the red bell peppers, some green onions, some of the broccolini, baby bella mushrooms, some potatoes, asparagus, Roma tomatoes, the green beans, and I got a mix of baby spinach, spring mix, and romaine hearts for salads this week. Shredded carrots. As far as fruit, I got bananas, a pineapple, some apples, strawberries, and some of these wonderful pomegranate seeds. Love these. I got a variety of cheeses. I picked up another pack of this light Mexican blend. Oh, this is so good. And the mozzarella, the light mozzarella. If you haven't tried this, this melts so good. Like, it doesn't even seem like it's a light cheese. Wonderful. And then they also have this 3 cheese blend. It has mozzarella, Monterey Jack, and cheddar. These are my 3 favorites. And I don't like light cheese. Trader Joe's is the exception. I also picked up some Parmesan grated cheese and some Gorgonzola cheese for a salad. Now, I've been trying to think of something to do for Ken, like a little romantic dinner. Valentine's is coming, and I saw these lobster raviolis, and I've been working on a Weight Watcher friendly recipe. I will film this for you. It has a tarragon cream sauce, and it has like you put it on a base of spinach, and it has cherry tomatoes, and it looks really good. So I'm excited to try this. I picked up a couple packages of the extra lean ground beef and the ground turkey breast, the 99%. If you've been looking for it, Trader Joe's has it. They've had it. This is the 2nd week I've been able to find it. I picked up 2 more of the Carne Asada from Trader Joe's, and I still have in the fridge some of the Mission style extra thin corn tortillas that you can find them at Target. 3 of those is 4 Weight Watcher points. I'll insert a little picture of that in here. These are those Mission style extra thin tortillas. I got these last week. I got 3 packages, and I still have this pack left over. And 3 of these are 4 Weight Watcher points. So they were so good too. I also picked up some of the everything but the bagel sesame, canola spray, canola oil, and of course the creamy tomato soup with the Gorgonzola crackers. This combination is so good. Yum, yum. So that's our Trader Joe's haul this week. And I also went to Price Chopper just to pick up a couple things. I picked up some salmon. It was on sale this week. And to my surprise, I found 99% fat-free ground turkey breast. Picked up 2 packages. I want to make another batch of the Weight Watcher ground turkey chili. It was so good. And they had tomato products on sale, so I went ahead and stocked up. Got a couple heads of iceberg lettuce, a couple of onions, jalapenos, and a couple more tomatoes. So that's our grocery haul this week. Hope you enjoyed watching. I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend. Talk to you later.